Incoming device is the Samsung Tab E 9.6-inch white in color. Does rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The back does have a crack along it though on the back plastic. Taking a look at the front, there doesn't look like there's any cracks on the. See a possible either deep scratches or cracks right here in the bottom right hand corner of the device. Home button doesn't look like it's responsive actually. But it is taking an incoming charge current of 1.80 amps. The main reason why the customer's bringing the device is because the device is password locked and she doesn't remember the password. We quoted the customer $59 to see if we were able to remove the password from the device. ETA for the device is by the end of tonight.